a declaration of normalization of ties between the United Arab Emirates and Israel, which the Americans said is a breakthrough in the region. And they're looking forward to see many Arab and Muslim nations follow through. What's your take as Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Any one-sided settlement which is going to be imposed on the Palestinians is not going to work, because the issue will never get resolved. And, you know, Israel is in a very strong position right now, probably the strongest it's ever been. It's backed by the United States. But Israel too must recognize this, that if they do not allow Palestinians to have a just settlement, a viable state, this issue is not going to die down. Even if some countries recognize Israel, it's not going to die down. It will just keep festering. It's in Israel's interest that there should be a just settlement.